Well, how's everybody doing? I wanted to start putting a few videos together in this instruction set of how to work with Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is a 3D CAD program that has manufacturing aspects to it, has tools to generate tool paths and um, actually generate G code for different types of machines, from water jet to CNC mills to plasma cutter. Can also generate STL files for 3D printers, just about anything you can imagine. DXF files that can be used in laser cutters. So there's a lot of tools to use in Fusion 360 uh, for um, for 3D design and basically makerspace type work of just about any kind. Um, what I'm going to be going over in this video is how to set up an account with Autodesk and get Fusion 360 on your computer. Fusion 360 is free for students. Students can qualify for a 3-year um, license. Students can also qualify for many of Autodesk's products for a free 3-year license. So it's definitely something worth looking into. Fusion 360 is also available for startups, small businesses that are starting up that are under. I have to remember this, under $100,000 income per year. And it has been free for hobbyists. We'll have to look through when we get to that and make sure that that's still the case. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up your browser and we're going to go to autodesk.com. Then what you're going to do, going to go to the sign in screen, and if you're new to Autodesk, you're going to create an account. Okay, so we're going to go back to autodesk.com. We're going to go through the process of signing in, and then we're going to come over here to free trials, and we're going to scroll down to Fusion 360. We're going to select personal use. This will go through the qualification details, uh, a description of what you get with the personal use license, and then the instructions on downloading Fusion 360. So your download is going to start once this download completes. You can go and open this, and it will begin downloading and installing your CAD software. So mine is already installed. What you'll do here is you'll go through the installation process, install it on your computer. Um, if you have any problems with that, we can come back. I can uninstall it from my computer and reinstall it if you need me to show that. So what you're going to do at the end of the install is you'll launch Fusion 360 from your desktop or your start menu. So I'm going to go ahead and launch. Well, actually, Fusion 360 is already launched, so I'm going to cancel this out. You'll be getting out of your browser and starting up Fusion 360. I'm going to go over here and sign out with my old account. So this is what it's going to look like when you sign in. So we'll step through those. Um, this is a new feature. It doesn't look like it's going to let me go past this without doing something. So what the heck? We'll just create a team. So this is going to take you into a quick setup for your initial default settings. It's going to give you some instructions. If you want to start in inches or millimeters, you can change that here. You can set your familiarity level. Uh, if you've used SolidWorks or Autodesk Inventor or Tinkercad, or if you've never used CAD before, panning and zooming gives you an orbit, basically gives you some basic commands, and you can use these guided tutorials as well. Once you get all that set where you want it, and close that, and you are pretty much ready to get started. So that's pretty much what's involved in installing Fusion 360 on your computer. Let's see. So when we downloaded for personal use, that basically tied our account to that personal use subscription. So it tells you right over here it's personal, not for commercial use. And I think learning is definitely well within that category. Uh, if you do decide to buy it, the program is it's pretty cheap for a CAD program of this quality. Definitely worth paying the money for if you're legitimately using it for commercial endeavors and your business that you're using it for is making over $100,000 a year, then you may be obligated to purchase it. Otherwise, you're perfectly fine using the free 1-year license, which to date it's been continually renewable. So so that's it for now. This is my first training video on this, so if something comes up, just leave a message at the bottom of the video, and I'll try to walk you through if you're having any problems with it. Anyway, hopefully this is the first of many videos on how to use Fusion 360 in the maker world, whether it be knife making or whatever other project you're interested in. And this will again, thank you for watching, and can't wait to see you again on the next time.